Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles, and this is the ZTE Blade V9 Vita. This is a smaller budget variant of the Blade V9. Comes with slightly toned down specs. So it's a smaller, more youthful phone. Comes in this matte light blue finish. There's also a light pink variant that I can see here. So toned down specs as compared to the Blade V9. This is the Blade V9 Vita from ZTE. So with this you get a 5.45 inch HD plus display. This is also an 18:9 screen, and as far as the processor is concerned, it's powered by a Snapdragon 435 octa-core chip. Two variants again, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage and 3 GB RAM with 32 GB storage. Dual cameras at the back, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and an 8 megapixel camera up front. This device is powered by a 3200 mAh battery. Comes with Android Oreo with a light skin on top. Supports NFC as well. Phone's got a very nice matte finish to it. Looks nice. Fingerprint scanner at the back. Charging port at the bottom. I'm not sure if this is Type C. I think it's most likely a micro USB port. On the left, a SIM tray. On the right, the power key and volume rocker. On top, the 3.5 mm headset socket as usual. Pretty compact. Despite the almost 5.5 inch screen, it is really compact thanks to the 18:9 screen ratio. Doesn't really feel plasticky or cheap. Nice finish in the hand. So that was a quick look at the ZTE Blade V9 Vita. Thanks for watching.